Valentine's ano nila guys.
Mom, where's Dad?
Valentine's Day and anniversary.
Valentine's Day is nothing. It's just our...
I know. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Valentine's Day.
Gonna get my sandwich.
Now someone will sneak out on Valentine's Day. He is leaving. He is very excited to leave the house.
I don't want to leave my sandwich.
I know.
The last time you enjoyed it.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
So he is going to the airport and
Earning a living for the family.
right.
Working so hard.
It seems like you're going to, for a date, for a dinner tonight.
For a dinner date.
Not with your wife, but
Just in a hotel room by myself eating Burger King.
with someone special.
Someone special. That's special.
Drive safely.
You're gonna, I will.
Okay?
Let me get my stuff. I will. Get my,
Kaya aalis si Mr. guys. So, dito sa bahay namin, walang Valentine's. Hindi naman talaga namin na hanap. Since nag-ano kami ni Mr. I think nag-date. Nag-ano talaga nung... Nandito na ako sa US, hindi talaga kami lumalabas tuwing Valentine's Day kasi pang ano lang yun, pang boyfriend girlfriend lang yung Valentine's
well, don't just
Day.
tell them that because I took for Baba's special soccer day, so I had to work all these other. But I'm off on our anniversary,
Okay.
which is the day after I get home.
Yeah.
Are you prepared for
I know,
that?
you're always saving. Like in my birthday, Christmas, and birthday, you always save many because it's just same celebration. Valentine's Day and anniversary. It's just the
Valentine's
same
Day is
thing.
nothing. It's just our.
I know.
Our
Yeah.
anniversary is more important.
Drive
Okay.
safely, sir.
I will.
I know you're so excited to go out in the sun. Like,
So exciting.
I just feel like,
It's bad traffic.
Yeah.
It's rainy. It's traffic.
yeah, it's like Liam.
The flights are
again.
full.
Drive safely, honey, because
Okay,
the weather
show
is
them
really bad.
Vinny, show them Liam's
Yeah.
cards.
Mhm.
Okay. All right, love
Drive safe. I love
you.
you.
Too later when you're driving around. Be
I know.
careful. It should
Yeah.
be dry by then.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you. Oh, ito guys, pagkagising ko, si Mr. namigay din siya ng gifts for the kids. So, may mga pa-cards din siya for the kids, guys. Ito yung card niya for Liam. Valentine's. Ayan. And then kay Brianna. Meron din siya para sa anak niyang babae. Cute nito. Like this one. Then may mga toys and a lot of candies, guys. And then for me, kasi sabi ko, hindi naman kami nag-ano ng Valentine's, pero si Mr. talaga, hindi ako bubili ng something for him. Kasi lalaki na lang gumagawa talaga nun, guys, di ba? So, pag Valentine's Day, either flowers or something na binibilhan ako ni Mr. pag Valentine's Day talaga. Hindi kami nilig-date o kumakain sa labas, pero binibilhan niya talaga ako ng something. I think last year, flowers. So, this year is, gusto niyang gumanda ako. So, pampaganda yung binigay ni Mr. Tingyo, guys. Yeah. Kasi, pumunta siya ng Korea. Last flight niya, Korea. E, ngayon naman, another flight for Korea na naman yun. Supposed to be Japan. Pero, nag-ano yung flight niya. Ni-reschedule kagabi. So, going back to Korea. Okay. Ito siya, guys, oh. Ewan ko, anong gagawin nito sa face? Wala namang English. Okay. Ang nilagay lang nito, anti-wrinkles and brightening. So, dalawa ang binili ni Mr. Alam ba yung allergy ko ngayon, guys, grabe. Yung pag dito ka sa US, pag maabutan ka ng 7 years, 8 years, doon ka magkakaano ng allergy. Makakaramdam ng allergy ng, ewan ko, dito lang talaga sa ilong, guys. Ito, dalawa nito, and then cookies. Premium gift. Traditional cookie. Ayan, oh. So, binili din to ni Mr. sa airport, for sure. And, yan ito guys. Yan. Ano to siya? Okay. Pang ano din siya guys, pang, I think, Prime Mute. Iba to siya. SPF cream siya. And then, card. Inyo, cute nito guys. Gusto ko. Ayan. So, yan yung pa-Valentine's Day, pa-Valentine's gift ni Mr. for me. Buksan natin ito mamaya. Itong cookies. Tignan natin kung ano yung laman niyan guys. But for now, mag-i-exercise muna ako. Mag-floor workout. And then, ano din ako, mag-treadmill ako guys. So, ito yung paano ni Mr. Sa. Yan. Sa may mag-asawa na, hindi na importante ang Valentine's Day talaga. Yun ang sabi nila. Pero sa amin ni Mr. hindi talaga importante ang Valentine's Day sa amin. Pero, bumibili talaga yun siya ng gift. And then, naka-schedule na yung, yung flight ni Mr. Kasi, yan yung last flight niya this month. And then, March, magbabakasyon ulit tayo, guys. Magbabakasyon tayo sa Tahiti. So, we are going back to Tahiti. So, kaya, inanuhan niya yung flight niya ngayon. And then, gusto niya manood ng games ng kids. Kasi, tomorrow, may laro yung dalawang kids. And then, there are 2 more games. And then, tapos na yung RSL nila. We're going back to CCV Store. Kasi, may pang babae doon na puro, team lang ng babae. And then, yung magiging kalaro nila, Brianna, puro babae lang talaga, guys. Walang halong boys. Kaya yun, babalik kami sa CCV Store. So, ayan. Yung paano natin ngayon, guys. And then, mamaya, I will take the kids for dinner. Kasi wala naman yung daddy nila. So, mag-dinner kami sa, labas ng kids, guys. After their soccer session. So, dito ako mag-workout. May mga floor workout muna. And then, treadmill yung gagawin ko. Tignan nyo to si Brianna. Oh, kumain dito and hindi nagligpit. Ito talaga pinaka ko kay Brianna. Kailangan mo talagang i-remind siya na magligpit. So, maglinis muna ako dito guys bago ako mag-workout kasi ang kalat. Ang kalat! Hi guys! After my exercise na ligo, hindi ko talaga ma-achieve yung the way yung hairdresser ko mag-blower ng mag-blower ng hair. Hindi ko siya ma-achieve guys. Maganda yung volume ng buhok ko pag siya yung nag-blower ng hair ko. Ito, ngayon pa lang ako kakain ng breakfast at saka lunch guys. Baguhin ko na naman ngayon, hindi naman siya strawberries palagi at saka berries yung kakainin ko. This time, yung kakainin ko guys? Cucumber and eggs. And nag-ready na rin ako kasi pagdating ng mga kids, kakain sila ng snacks. And then dadalhin ko sila sa guys, sa soccer lesson nila. And then after that, dadalhin ko sila for dinner sa sushi style yung gusto ni Brianna. It's a Japanese restaurant na malapit lang din dito guys. And then, pupunta ng Target kasi bibili ako ng snacks for sa whole team ni Brianna tomorrow. Nagdala kami ng snacks for sa buong team nga ni Brianna. Ewan ko ilang kids yung ko. Magbibili ako ng chips and Gatorade ata. And then, tomorrow mag-order ako ng donuts for them. Maganda yung guys, maganda yung cream na yung binili ni Mr. para sa akin galing Korea. Yung baby cream ba yun? Holika cream. Ang ganda niya. Yung SPF, yung parang pang sunblock. Maganda siya sa face ko. Papunta si Mr. Tomorrow. Ngayon, kakarating lang niya sa San Francisco. Nasa hotel siya. Kasi early morning yung flight niya. Kaya pag early morning yung flight niya, talaga yan siya, nag-stay ng hotel. And then, pupunta yun ng Korea instead of Japan. So, papibilin ko siya ng cream na yun. Ang ganda ng ang ganda Ang ganda siya. Maganda yung shiny yung ng face. Yung result ng face. Okay. Kakain muna ako, guys. Kain tayo. Yung natin. Panindigan ko tong natin. Yung eating healthy habits tayo nito, guys.
Just say that.
Guys, they just get home from school. Tignan niyo naman yung Valentine's nila, guys.
Mom, where's Dad?
Your dad.
I got a ducky from later.
I woke up in the middle of the night.
A lot of candies.
This was from Jack. Fun
And
dip.
I wondered how
Oh, look at this.
I did get a tattoo. No, Mom, I got a tattoo.
Okay.
I couldn't see what
Come on.
I saw in me. Ooh, na na na. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, will love you for it all.
Okay, don't eat it. Don't worry, I got tempura for you.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, never mind, bro.
Give it to me. I'll eat it.
I didn't realize what was in it. Sorry.
It's okay.
Well, you eat that.
It is hard to share my thoughts.
Oh.
It's like cutting a wound in a bleeding heart.
What's this?
Food. Calamari.
But I know that you need it all.
Liam's food.
Na, na, na.
How's your food, Lily? Lily,
Just
how's your
give me
food?
some time, 'cause I need
You must
to
be
know.
hungry.
Too busy.
Watch out, Liam. Watch out.
T-shirt because I'm getting too cold.
Watch out, Liam.
Back, I can see you're hiding.
See, look at Liam.
Watch out.
And I'll never understand how you saw
Liam, madasmag ka.
it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. Oh, and I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all.
Let's go home. I'm cold.
Oh my god. She needs to take it up.
Guys, are you full?
Yes.
How about you, Liam?
Bloated full. You blood.
How about you, Baba? Are you
I'm
full?
bloated. Mom, the nose still open? Yeah. Huh? Give you what the? Ooh.
Nakauwi na kami ng bahay, guys. Kakatapos lang naligo yung dalawa. Si Brianna nag-dry ng buhok nila. And gusto na nilang kumain ng ice cream. So, may ice cream tayo dito. Dalawa yung ice cream, guys. Kasi si Liam gusto niya yung chocolate. Si Brianna naman vanilla. Yung ano niya. And then, bubuksan natin yung binigay ni Mr. na cookies. Gumawa na rin ako ng tea. Liam, would you like some chocolate ice cream or... Ito yung cookies, guys. Buksan natin. What's wrong, Lee? Basta pagkain, excited talaga, no? Di jud pa ugmaan. Kailangan buksan kasi excited. Premium cookies daw to, eh. Ayan, tingnan nyo man, guys. Maganda yung pagkaano, no? Ang ganda talaga ng mga packaging sa ano, ay. Sa Japan, Korea, yung Singapore, or... Tingnan nyo, guys. Yan. Ano yun man? Parang healthy siya na ano. Paano ba ito buksan? Ngayon, ignorante ka na. Hindi mo na alam paano buksan ito. Ganyan. Ala, nalilito na si Caroline. Ganyan pala, guys. Ganda talaga ng packaging. Tignan nyo naman. Oh. Ano kayong masarap dito, guys? Ang dami niyang nuts and may coconuts. Parang may ubi. Hindi na ako nag-order ng ice cream doon sa Japanese restaurant. Wala, ang ganda talaga ng packaging, guys. Akala ko, aside from this one, meron na namang nakabalot na, tignan yung box. Ganda ng packaging, guys, oh. And, ayan, inisa-isa pa talaga. For sure, coconut to. Yeah, sabi ko na nga ba eh. Amoy lana. Tikman natin itong puti. Healthy siya, guys. At saka hindi matamis. Ay, 1 minute, hindi masyadong matamis. Ito, sesame to. Black sesame and buksan na natin itong, tikman natin itong sesame, guys. Liam, would you like some ice cream? Le? No? Huh? No? Which one? What do you say? Chocolate? Chocolate? Okay. This is really good for tea or black coffee. Yeah. Ayan. Nagpo-close ko na yung vlog namin guys. At ako'y magpapaalam na sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood ng ngayong vlog. And see you sa sunod na vlog. Ingat po tayong lahat.